first on my face I'm just going to apply my Lakme Absolute Cream. So इसको मैं अपने पूरे फेस पे इस तरीके से डॉट डॉट करके अप्लाई करूँगी. So that I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with the help of my Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. And then after that I'm just going to apply this concealer around my eyebrow area. Okay, so then after that I'm just going to pick this shade and इस shade को मैं as a base apply करूँगी अपनी eyes पे. So after that I'm just going to apply contour with the help of this palette. To pick this shade and इसको मैं अपने cheeks पे हल्का हल्का as a blusher apply करूँगी. I'm just going to apply a bold wing liner with the help of my Blue Heaven eyeliner. And then I'm just going to apply kajal. Okay, so then I'm just going to highlight. Okay, so if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and like. Till then, take care. Bye.